Good day, Philippines. This is Mike Padua, and we are back to our update on Agaton, and this is now the final update since Agaton has weakened into a low pressure area. This is for today, Tuesday, April 12, 2022, and this English version is brought to you by Typhoon2000, and we would like to thanks our partners. About this power, we believe in the power of balance, and Naga College Foundation, home of the champions, be one of us. And let's begin with our update. Here's the latest fast animation from University of Wisconsin Tropical Cyclone page satellite servers. So you can see now the two dancing tropical cyclones. The first one, which is Agaton, is still stationary over the vicinity of northern Leyte, just south of Tacloban, and it's trying to survive despite the frictional effects and the interaction of the mountainous terrain of eastern Visayas, as well as the strong upper level winds and the robust outflow from the dry air coming from the circulation of Typhoon Malakas. But this system is eventually going to dissipate within the next 12 to 24 hours. Right now, it's just an area of low pressure over the Tacloban city area with winds of only 35 kph, and eventually, within the next 24 hours, it will emerge over the Philippine Sea and will be a part of the southern circulation of this large typhoon Malakas. Malakas is just 10 or 20 kilometers from the Philippine area of responsibility. The PAR is somewhere here. Okay. So the eye is so close to the PAR line. If it does touch or enter the PAR, Pag-asa will issue a domestic name on this. It will be known as Basyang. If not, it will be reserved for the next tropical cyclone that will enter the Philippine area of responsibility or form within the PAR. Now, still, we are going to experience some isolated scattered rain showers and thunderstorms across the Visayas, Bicol Region, Southern Tagalog Provinces, already reaching Metro Manila, as well as the northern parts of Palawan, Mindoro. That's because of the trough from the disintegrating tropical depression Agaton. And for the next 24 hours, by tomorrow, Wednesday, improving weather conditions is set to occur in the Visayas and the Bicol Region. But still in the afternoon or evening, there might be some rain showers and thunderstorms because of the existing occurrence of La Nina phenomenon. And on later on Thursday, Friday, Saturday, and Easter Sunday, the weather will return to normal, hot weather with some isolated rain showers and thunderstorms in the afternoon or evening. Now, this large system, Malakas, is expected to accelerate more to the north, moving away from the Philippine Sea. Here's the zoom-in satellite animation, more detailed animation from windy.com, and this is from around 10 a.m. up to the current 2-hour loop. You can see here the vast cloudiness across the Visayas and Mimaropa and Bicol Region, as well as Southern Tagalog, because of this elongated cloudiness of one's tropical depression, Agaton. And the system is somewhere here. Okay, it's here, right there. So here, let me see. So the eye of Malakas is slowly improving with winds of now at around 130 kph, and it's expected to track more to the north and north-northeast away from the Philippine Sea. Let's take a look at the wind shear or upper level winds above tropical disturbance Agaton, which is now just an LPA. And you can clearly see here the winds is around 45 to 55 knots. That's why it's unfavorable for the development of this tropical system. Okay, while the yellow and the green means favorable or neutral to favorable. So Agaton is completely a dead duck within the next 24 hours. And if we look at the location of Malakas, Malakas is getting malakas or getting stronger because of its location, which is over favorable wind shear environment, which is around 10 kph and up to 15 kph. So nothing is hampering the system. So expect some development within the next 24 hours to 48 hours, but once it reaches over the subtropics, the system will slowly decay because of unfavorable upper level winds. And here's the track, the final track from Typhoon 2000, which we issued around 5 a.m. So right now the system is here, okay, and it's already actually here over the coast of Leyte Gulf. So this system will then accelerate towards the east-southeast, then eastward. So that will be the scenario for the next 24 hours. And here's the wind signal from Pag-asa. Still, Eastern Visayas is under wind signal number 1. And also southeastern Masbate and the northernmost part of Cebu. Also the Nagat Islands, Biliran, and other smaller islands surrounding eastern Visayas. Expect the lowering of the signal once the system weakens into a tropical disturbance or low pressure area. Now here's the Asian agency's tracks on Megi. That's the international name of Agaton. So most of them agree that the system will track towards the east. Okay. And then for Malakas, the curvature is on the way for the next couple of days without any threat to our country. Now, as we look at the model tracks, this is Typhoon Global Models. It shows here the same scenario. Agad the remnants of Agaton moving towards the east, and Malakas recurving towards the northeast. Now, let's take a look at the rain forecast from the European model, valid for the next 3 days until Holy Thursday or Maundy Thursday. So right now, you're still experiencing some rains and thunderstorms across the Visayas, extending across Bicol Region, Mimaropa. Okay, and on Wednesday morning, we expect the system will now emerge over the East Philippine Sea, east of Leyte Gulf, and it will be just a remnant low pressure system, but some models still shows a tropical depression status. But look at the various sections of the Visayas, improving weather will be expected. And on Wednesday afternoon, much improved weather can be seen here, with some thunderstorms occurring over the Mindanao area. So these are only the localized thunderstorms. Here's the remnants of Agaton being eaten into the circulation of Malakas. And morning of Thursday, or Maundy Thursday, it's already a part of Malakas. Good weather now across the Philippine Islands. Thursday afternoon, yes. And then on Friday, or Good Friday, still nice weather will be expected in various portions of the Philippine Islands, meaning we will be having fair weather. When we say fair weather, it could mean good weather in the morning, but in the afternoon or evening, there will be some isolated rain showers and thunderstorms. So there's a balance in between. So that's fair weather. Okay. So that's the rain forecast. That's good news for the next 5 days until Holy Easter Sunday, Black Saturday. As you can see, it's all clear across the Philippine Islands. So this will be the rainfall accumulation for the next 3 days until Thursday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday. So still the rainfall pattern shows Visayas area affected by this. This is the remnants of Agaton, but in the next couple of days that will begin. So that's the latest for today, Tuesday, and we end now the coverage on Agaton. This is now our final one. Tomorrow, Wednesday, we will return to our usual tropical weather analysis, VMWF. So again, we'll see you again tomorrow. This is Mike Padua reporting. Stay safe always. Be #WeatherWiser, #TyphoonWiser. And thank you so much for watching our channel. And please don't forget to click or subscribe to our channel. Just click on the notification bell. Thank you again and have a great day.